I'm replacing an old ecobee thermostat with D, black wire, D+, white wire, G and D, green wire, and 12V, red wire, connections. My new thermostat has BOGYWRRC connections. Which wires go where? I hooked it up with corresponding colors, but it won't cool to the temperature I want. I am using a commercial cooling system to cool a wine barrel room to 57 degrees Fahrenheit.
Have you replaced your ecobee thermostat or parts of it before? If so, how long ago?
That was the thermostat in place when I started working here 7 years ago. The touchscreen went out on the ecobee.
How long has this been going on with your ecobee thermostat? What have you tried so far?
We turned off cooling at the beginning of October. Before that, it worked as far as I know.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The blue, yellow, orange, and brown wires were not hooked up to the ecobee.
My name is I am happy to assist you today. Heating and air conditioning has been my specialty for 46 years, so not much I can't solve if given the opportunity. Please acknowledge each of my replies even if you are unable to perform a certain task I ask you to, or if you are hoping for a different answer. Together I believe we can solve this and find the best solution for you.
Thanks, Tim.
These are two total different types of thermostats. The old thermostat is a communicating thermostat. Two terminals provide 24 volts and the other two are data transfer terminals. The ecobee is considered a conventional thermostat where each terminal controls a specific component. R is power, G controls blower, W controls heat, Y controls AC compressor, etc. While it may be possible, it is not recommended to replace the communicating with a conventional, as you will lose some of the efficiency and functions. However, if you are determined to do so, give me model on your indoor and outdoor units and I can verify if it is possible to use the conventional. Note you will need at least 6 wires between units to do this. Let me know and we can go from here. First thing we need to look at is whether you have an variable speed motor. If so, the ecobee is not compatible. Give me model on your air handler or furnace and let's take a look. Give me model on old thermostat. Never saw an ecobee with the terminals you noted.
Ecobee Smart Thermostat, EBStat-02.
Oh wow! That is a communicating ecobee. I never saw one. But anyhow, the new one with BOGYWRRC is not a communicating stat. It will not work as a replacement. Your old one had 12V power and data transfer terminals. The new one is conventional where each letter controls a component like Y for compressor, G for fan, W for heat valve, R for power, C for 24V common, etc.
Makes sense. So I need to buy a communicating thermostat then?
That is correct. I would try Googling that number you sent to see what they recommend as a drop-in replacement.
Sounds good. Thanks for your help.
My pleasure.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.